Meaning of direct mail.
Direct mail.
Direct mail.
Direct mail.
Direct mail. Direct mail refers to a marketing strategy in which promotional materials such as letters, brochures, and postcards are sent directly to potential customers through the postal service. The goal of direct mail is to generate leads, promote sales, and increase brand awareness. The process involves targeting a specific group of recipients based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. By tailoring the content to the intended audience, direct mail campaigns can yield higher response rates than other forms of advertising. Overall, direct mail remains a popular and effective approach for businesses looking to reach their target market.